Welcome to the Mizzou Grape and Wine Institute YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will go over the process of standardizing a sodium hydroxide solution. When a solution is made, there are a few factors that may alter the expected concentration. For instance, sodium hydroxide can absorb moisture from the air, causing a mass sample to contain water and resulting in a misleading concentration. To fix this problem, we standardize the solution by accurately determining the base concentration through a titration of sodium hydroxide into a known amount of acid. There are various acids that can be used for titration, but it's crucial to select one that is solid at room temperature, non-volatile, and doesn't absorb moisture. A good option is potassium hydrogen ballate, known as KHP. It meets these requirements and is a monoprotic acid, which means it reacts with sodium hydroxide in a 1-to-1 ratio. To determine the expected concentration of sodium hydroxide, we apply the normality equation, N1V1 equals N2V2. Here, N stands for normality, the amount of solute in 1 liter of a solution, and V represents volume, measured in either liters or milliliters. When we multiply the normality and volume of the acid and base, they should be equal. We know the volumes of the acid and base solutions. For this calculation, the mass of KHP is 0.2 grams. Here is the material used and the 3 chemical, sodium hydroxide solution, phenolphthalein solution, and KHP. First, weigh 0.2 grams of KHP and transfer it into an Erlenmeyer flask. Mix it with 50 milliliters of deionized water. The specific amount of water doesn't matter as it doesn't impact the KHP amount. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the KHP is fully dissolved. Add about 3 drops of phenolphthalein to the KHP solution in the flask. Begin the titration by adding sodium hydroxide dropwise to the KHP while continuously stirring the solution. Keep adding until a pink color persists, indicating the end of the neutralization point. Record the volume of the sodium hydroxide solution used from the burette. Repeat the procedure for consistent results. To calculate the concentration, use the volume of the sodium hydroxide solution and known amount of KHP to calculate the exact normality of your solution. The result is 0.098. The sodium hydroxide solution is standardized. Make sure to label the solution correctly and store it properly. Thank you for watching. GWI's Service Lab presents this video tutorial for how to standardize a sodium hydroxide solution.